Cybercrime is a growing industry and no company is safe. Just ask tech giant Microsoft, which fell victim to a devastating cyber attack in 2022.
Microsoft falls prey to cyber attack involving 335,000 emails,
133,000 projects,
and 548,000 exposed users.
If it could happen to them, it could happen to you. It may surprise you to learn the greatest vulnerability lies within your own walls. Studies show that roughly 88% of all data breaches are caused by human error. EasyLlama's cutting-edge cybersecurity and data privacy training can empower your employees with the knowledge they need to fortify your defenses and protect your business. Our comprehensive training suite covers everything from globally recognized data regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, CPRA, and PCI DSS, to practical mini-courses on identifying phishing attempts, creating unbreakable passwords, and maintaining security in remote workplaces. EasyLlama's interactive quizzes and real-life video scenarios will engage your employees as they learn about cybersecurity best practices, improving knowledge retention and resulting in reduced employee turnover. Plus, your company's data is in safe hands with us. EasyLlama's secure platform is fully compliant with GDPR, CCPA, and SOC 2, ensuring the highest level of protection for your organizational and employee data. Join over 7,000 companies that have embraced EasyLlama's revolutionary and secure approach to workplace training. Ready to take the first step toward a secure future? Access your free course preview now and discover the power of EasyLlama.